Huskies are so trifling sometimes. Just heard that her surfing trip was canceled, so don't ever think Huskies are silly. He even makes a joke on him. Titanium Head be like, me when I have to wake up early. Me ignoring someone versus me being ignored. A man's true character comes out when he's drunk.
Okay, guys, don't get lost.
Oh my god!
Is there ever too much snow for a husky?
Mish!
A helmet a day keeps the doctor away. If I can't drink, neither can you.
Who receives the evidence and then analyzes it in some way, chemically, with a microscope, whatever. That is forensic science. And then you need to decide, okay, well, do I want to do the biology stuff? Do I want to do the chemistry stuff? Do I want to do some...
Me learning how to kiss for the first time. Huskies are cat software running on dog hardware.
What? Hi.
Oh, they've practiced that move. What an easygoing dog looks like? Life with a dramatic girlfriend be like, don't try to start, Husky. Your home will be safe.
为啥？为啥？
Your life won't be private, you know. The promise to lose weight has expired. He offered to pee on her, but she said no. Like father, like son. Huskies like one bite, one slap. When you want it more, but you're on a free trial. Bath time, wait till the end.
So I wanted to ask you something. Do you want to go?
When he gets way too much happiness from the invitation.
Do you want to go on a walk?
He's like, if I fit, it'll be mine.
Nala.
Yeah, no, you're still digging. No, Fendi, 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 Fendi. Like bounce like this. Like you're punching it.
Well, many dogs will want to have a lesson like this.
But like stand up. Like stand up and punch, punch. There you go. Good girl.
A passenger princess, literally. It's just way too much trouble.
Ah, there you are.
You can't be like a puppy if you want to run with the big dogs. I know you're sleeping, but my bowl can't fill itself. Being the youngest sibling is like... me and my drunk friend that night. No alcohol, sir. Fighting with yourself be like, where there's a will, there's a way. When he was told not to play with the basketball,
Shut up. Shut up.
average a day of singer training.
I said no. You cannot get on the yoga mat. I already told you can't get on the yoga mat.
When yoga is no longer yoga, but doga. Yoga with dog. Just a husky absolutely loving the snow.
Nico! Nico! Nico!
Dad's pranks are always tricky, but they love them.
Nico! Where is he? Oh, there you are!
Pretending to faint in front of him and see his reaction, but never leave a husky alone at your house. That's the third bedsheet this week. Imagine returning home after a stressful day and seeing this.
I'm gonna touch your tail.
He's not the easygoing type.
Dexter, can I touch it?
Happiness is a warm puppy. And thanks for watching.